Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Corinne and I do fashion, beauty, hair and lifestyle videos. Alright, now this video is so long overdue, but I have finally gotten around to doing it. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the latest ColourPop Mystery Box. So this is a summer mystery box, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so first off, looking at the box, I'm not as impressed as the first few boxes, but you know, that is just first impression, so let's dive right in. Alright, so first off, I want to remove this product. This is a concealer that I ordered because I previously ordered the wrong shade, and by the looks of it, there isn't a big difference between this shade and the shade up. Alright, so I previously ordered the shade Dark 158W, and this was really close to my skin color, so I wanted something a little lighter, and so I went with the shade Dark 145, which is I think 1 or 2 shades up. But if you guys can see that they are so similar. Hold on, let me swatch these. So this is a darker shade on top. They look similar, so I think I gotta go down at least five shades so that I can see a difference. Yeah, these are so similar. Oh my goodness. Again, I got the wrong shade, but that's alright. So this is a darker shade at the top, and this is a lighter shade at the bottom. So you can see the shade difference. There is a difference, but it's not significant. It's really, yeah, not what I was looking for. To be fair, I absolutely love the formula of these concealers. I just have to get the right shade, and seeing that I live in the Caribbean, I can basically only go by images. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go down. I'm gonna reorder this concealer because I have to reorder my foundation. The foundation that I have is dark and I needed a lighter shade, but for some reason the foundation in my shade is just always sold out. So I'm definitely gonna do this one back over. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna remove another product, which is this. This is a Luxe lip oil, and this is a clear one. This is Dewdrop. I'm gonna remove this from the mystery box because this was a free gift. At the time, ColourPop.com had a promotion, and this was a free gift, so this is not included in the mystery box. All right, so basically this is what came in a mystery box, and it's a fair amount of product for the price. However, this is a repeat. We got this already and another mystery box. So this is just my Luck palette, and it's a new packaging, which is absolutely gorgeous, and I rather this packaging because you get to see what's inside. Yeah, so this is hard plastic. Y'all forgive me, I live in the Caribbean. There are roosters all over. I'm working on my sound, so you're gonna hear roosters a bit quiet. I'm gonna try to mute them out as much as possible, but it is what it is. So yeah, so I started off with the palette. So this is a palette. In case you don't follow me as yet on YouTube and my other social media, I would recommend, if you're interested in receiving this as well as or other products, that you follow me on my Instagram, YouTube, TikTok as well, because I will definitely be doing a giveaway. I don't know when, but I definitely will, because I have a lot of products that are double or that I can't use because they're not good for my skin tone or something like that. So I will definitely be giving it away for free, and I will ship it to you guys for free as well. But I'm either gonna post it on Instagram or TikTok. I'm probably more so Instagram, I don't know, but I'll definitely be doing a giveaway with the products that I have in double or the products that I cannot use. All right, so next up we have the BFF liquid liner. Oh my goodness, this is numero uno, and I'm hoping it's a black because I need a black liner. Please be black. It looks like it's black. Are you black? Yes, you are black. All right, let's swatch it. Oh my goodness, this is exactly what I needed. All right, so I'm kind of gonna take back the I don't like you mystery box. So yeah. Okay, I have a product so far that I like, so kudos to ColourPop. Alright, so next up we have the Level Up Lengthening Mascara. Okay, that mascara. Yes, okay. And what color is she? She is in the color black. Okay. Oh wow, okay. The wand is long. Okay, yeah, I like this. Okay, I like the wand of it, so we'll see how this applies. Okay, so far 2 products that I like, 1 I don't. Not that I don't like the Just My Luck palette. It's a great palette if you don't have it already. I, unfortunately, already have it. Alright, so next up we have a liquid highlight. Okay, cool. I don't think that I own any of these ColourPop's, I don't think I own any of the ColourPop liquid highlighters. So, I'm just gonna share this because, yeah. Oh my goodness, and you guys, have you seen on ColourPop Instagram? They are coming out with a Shrek collection. I so want to get my hands on it, but we'll see. Oh, this is so cute. I love like this little heart on top. It makes it so easy to open up. This is so cute. All right, let's see you. Ooh. That is cute. Okay, I think I put too much. This is in the shade Immediately Yes, and this is like a golden, a light golden color. It says dewy, that it's dewy. This is pretty, y'all. This is gorge. Oh my goodness, this is okay. So far 3 products that I like in the mystery box. Okay, I'm definitely changing my mind right about now. This is a good box. Let's continue. I want to leave the lip products for the end. Okay, well, everything else are lip products, so let's go in. This is a strawberry lip balm. This is the Balm and Kisses lip balm. So this is in the shade Strawberry. Ooh, oh wow, this is cute. It definitely smells like strawberry. Alright, so it is clear. You know, it is clear. It's a lip balm. It's colorless, or at least it's coming up colorless on my skin tone. Alright, but love the scent. Absolutely love the scent. Next we have an ultra glossy lip, and this is in the shade Major Throwback. You know, I am eating my words right now. This is a great box. This is a great box. Alright, Major shade. Let's see. Can you guys see that? This is Major shade. And yeah, this is like a nude. This is a pretty color. This is a pinky beige nude color. She's pretty. She's really pretty. I like her. This is a liquid blush. I thought we were done with face products, but wow, this is a nice box. I'm sorry, I'm really taking it back. Oh, and this as well has like the heart on top. I love this heart. I really love this packaging. Oh, this is a cute Barbie pink. Oh my goodness, she is. Oh my goodness. All right, let's swatch it together. Oh, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. shut the back door, guys. Oh my goodness. How you guys see? I definitely slept on ColourPop's liquid blushes. This is why I love mystery boxes. Sometimes they're a flop, but it gives you the opportunity to see and try new products. And this, guys, is thick and it is so pigmented, and I believe that it's gonna show up absolutely gorgeous on dark skin. So I definitely have to come back. Oh my god, I can't even describe this shade. It's like a watermelon pink type. Oh, don't get me started, y'all. I absolutely love, oh my goodness. And what I like about, you know, ColourPop mystery boxes, well, not all, apart from one of the boxes that I got, is that they're well thought out, as in, you know, they give you colors that allow you to create a look, you know, like the colors work together, if that makes sense. Yeah, the colors work together. And last but not least, we have a So Juicy plumping glossy lip oil, and I really wanted to try these out, so I'm glad that I got one and that I'm able to try these out. So this is the, can you guys see? Yeah, let's swatch it together. Does it have a, oh yeah, there's a color. There's a color, guys. It gonna show up on my dark lips. Okay, so it is like alright, so it is like pale pink color. This is her right here. Alright guys, so you have all of the shades. Alright, mine is the concealers. Okay, I bought the concealers. So this is a glossy lip right here. She's beautiful. She's absolutely gorgeous. This is the blush, the liquid blush. This is a glossy lip. Here, where you can't see anything, it's a lip balm. Here we have the liquid highlighter, and then we have a black eyeliner. Beautiful. You guys seeing that? I am impressed, y'all. I am so impressed with this box. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's a definite yes for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating it, you guys. A lot of surprises in here, you know. I would say minus the green eyeshadow palette, everything else, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And I love the fact that they took the time. These colors right here are universal and they will go with any skin tone, and I absolutely love boxes like this. I have received boxes from ColourPop where they were like, for instance, eyebrow pens that I'm gonna give away, okay? But this box, I get to keep everything, and I love boxes like that, boxes that are universal and go with every skin tone. So if you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please comment, like, subscribe, and share, as it helps to grow this channel. Until next time, thank you so much for sticking by until the end. Bye bye.